Nah,
Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, the Honorable Pak Supartono as the lecturer, the Honorable audio participant, my beloved friends. Good afternoon. Hope you are in a good condition. Today I'm going to present my thesis proposal. I'm interested to know about the student affairs to the English test that commonly conducted by school or institution. So the title of my thesis proposal is High School Student Readiness to TOEIC Test and Their Strategy. Okay, nowadays English has become worldwide. It uses for communication with its people around the world. Countries has taught English since the early years learning to university level. It has been a demand to students have English skill to support their continuing study. For instance, high school students are asked to doing English tests to support their competence as the requirements for the future study at university. Once become student challenge is English test that they have to complete. In vocational school, the use of English test usually is TOEIC test, the test of English for international communication. M. Chen Li say that the purpose of TOEIC test is to rank the non-native English speakers. Province of English additionally, Park Son-young 20 and 20 state that in some university in Korea apply TOEIC test. Takashi also adds that Japan has involved TOEIC tests into university curricula. According to this fact, it is clear that TOEIC test is essential to be implemented. In this case, the writer is expected to know the high school student readiness to TOEIC test and their strategy. Next, the research question. How is student readiness to TOEIC test? And second, how is student strategy to fight the TOEIC test? And the objective to investigate student readiness to TOEIC test, and the second to know the student strategy to fight the TOEIC test. And next, review of literature. Chingni has investigated the college student readiness to TOEIC test. Thus, the result has indicated that the student view to TOEIC test is positive. The test gives students positive impact to their future career or employment. Kurniawan and Sardison say the purpose of TOEIC test is used to know the student ability of English during their learning. Harada has reviewed the junior high school student ability into TOEIC test. Perhaps the test is useful for student readiness to their future employment. The skill on TOEIC test commonly is belong to the communication ability of student achievement. Yes, Mbak Hendi. Okay. And Farouk state, at least there are two strategies to fight TOEIC test. They are goal-oriented framework and modification of words. Both techniques has different approach to certain skill of English. Goal-oriented framework aims to achieve student skill on listening, while modification of word purpose to written text strategy. These various kind of strategy are expected to help students in preparing TOEIC tests. And methodology, the research design using survey. According to Suartono, survey covers research which into the collect factual information in which to describe recurrent phenomena. It also covers research that explain about the relation, prediction, and comprehension, and then evaluation. And next, research design using quantitative research is defined as a systematic investigation of phenomena by gathering quantifiable data and performing statistical, mathematical, or computational technique. Quantitative research collect information from existing and potential customer using sampling method and sending out online survey, online poll, questionnaire, etc. The result of which can be depicted in the form of numerical. And the participant will be a third grade of high school student vocational with all major. And data collection using questionnaire. Questionnaire is a research instrument consisting of a series of questions for the purpose of gathering information from respondents. Questionnaire can be thought of as a kind of written interview. They can be carried out face-to-face by telephone, computer, or post. And then data analysis. Descriptive studies are brief descriptive conventions that summarize a given data set, which can be either a representation of the entire or sample of a population. Descriptive statistics are broken down into a measure of central tendency and measure of variability spread. Okay, thank you. That's my presentation. Sorry for the mistake. If any question or additional, it's you can give your feedback or addition or question. Thank you.
Okay, halo Mbak Esti.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you for your great presentations. Now I'm interested to elaborate your research title. Please go back to the first slide of yours.
Okay.
Okay, your research title is High School Students' Readiness to TOEIC Test and Their Strategy. Now I'm going to give you a questions dealing with why or the reason why you decide to choose TOEIC tests on your study, because in fact we know that the kind of English test is not only TOEIC, right? There is a TOEFL test and IELTS test and etc. Now why you choose TOEIC test? Please give your clarifications to me and to all the participants here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mbak Fiana, for the question. The question is why you decide to choose the TOEIC test, right? Okay, related to the participant, my participant is a vocational student vocational school, and then the TOEIC is special to the special test to the vocational high school vocational, I mean. And then TOEIC is special test that requiring specific skill, I think.
Okay, so you mean that the first point of your answer is related to your participants here is coming from a vocational school. Then the vocational school is often open to test for their students, right? And then the second is about the TOEIC test is special than the another test like TOEFL test, because in TOEIC test the language is measured not only the students' proficiency in all four skills, but of course TOEIC test is measure students' soft skill, because your participants are coming from vocational school. That's your answer, right, Mbak Esti?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Ya, Mbak Esti.
Ya, Mbak Hen.
Oke. Yeah, thank you for your nice presentation. However, I would like to ask you some questions. The first one is, what are the benefits of your study to for the students, the teacher, and for the school? And then the second one, is there any consideration to choose, what is it, the third grade of vocational high school instead of the second grade of vocational high school to take the TOEIC test? Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay, thank you for the question, Mbak Henry. Benefit of benefit okay benefit of the student for the student I mean they can find the way or the strategy to prepare the TOEIC test, and the benefit for the teacher, they can understand or also find out the student problem, the barriers dealing with the readiness TOEIC test. And for the school they can if the student has a high score, it's good for the school because it can make the school is prestige, I think. And for the second question, why I choose the third grade? Because due to the student, because the third grade is expected to continue their study and their job, because it can help them to find out the next for their study or their job, and it can yeah, it can apply it for their job. I think that's my
Yeah.
answer.
Okay, thank you.
Anyone?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
Mbak Esti.
Yes.
Mbak Esti, can you
Yeah,
hear
Rumi.
me?
Yes.
Mbak Esti, can you hear me?
Yeah, Rumi, I
I
can
would
hear
like
you.
to ask you. Yeah,
Yeah.
I would like to ask you, what is the research method are you going
Okay.
to use in your study?
Okay. Method the apa tadi ya? Method. Okay, I use survey and quantitative.
No, this is not the method. I mean, there are a lot of methods like classroom research, observation, R&D.
Survey, Rumi. I using this one, survey.
I think survey is on kind of instrument, not research method.
No, I think survey is a kind of method, but the another one like instrument is questionnaire, data collection. Survey is method, research, right?
Can you
Sorry?
speak louder, Mbak Fiana?
Okay, I think I don't think so that Rumi said that survey is an instrument. Survey is also kind of method, right? Research design. Survey is, yeah, that's kind of method. But if
I
you
think-
want to use instrument, is questionnaire is an instrument, right?
I think survey is a kind of research.
Yes,
Right,
research.
Mbak?
I mean
Yeah.
research. Research
It's a
design.
kind of research, yeah. The method will be the how we collect the data, what is the participant, and how we analyze the data. That is method, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Method is all aspect. Research design, data collection, analysis.
Yeah, right.
Okay. How me? Hello. Okay, maybe.
Yeah, Mbak Esti, I would like to ask question, Mbak Esti. Yeah.
Okay, Bu Mulia.
Okay.
Please wait. I lost
Oh yeah.
my
Hello,
connection.
Rumi.
Oh yeah, Rumi first.
Hello, Rumi. Rumi. Can you hear me?
Fiona? Hello? Yeah, I can
Yeah.
hear you. I wanna ask. Sorry, I lost my connection for a while. So, yeah. You told survey is one kind of method. So, what is the difference between methodology and method?
Hello, me?
Yeah, Rumi.
Okay, so you mean what
My
is the
opinion is service methodology, not method. So I want to ask you, what is the difference
method.
between methodology and method? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Please, Mbak Esti.
the differences of method.
methodology and
No.
method?
My
Methodology.
question was to what is the method of your study? So you told survey, but my opinion, survey is not the method. Survey is methodology, but Fiona told that survey is method. Yeah. So my question to Fiona, what is the difference between methodology and method?
Okay.
Can you please give me a brief? I'm not clear.
This is just a brief definitions, yeah. I mean, brief explanations, yeah. I think dealing with method and methodology, this is both them are coming from the similar words, right? Method, but the methodology here is consists of a set of design. I mean, methodology consists of research design, consists of, I mean, what is that? Data collection, data analysis. This is the framework of the study. This is methodology. But if we said that method, yeah. I mean, this is also focused on how the research design concern. I mean, this is use survey. This is use quantitative. Yeah, this is the design of the research. But I don't know that I'm not sure that my comprehensions and also my comprehensions or perspective is truly true. I mean, fully true. Thank you. Mbak Esti.
Okay. And then my method is
If you want to interview, this is the research instrument, and the research method is if you use classroom action research, observation, or R&D. This is the type of method, not methodology. Yeah. Yeah. My question is, what is the method, SC, are you going to use to conduct your study?
okay. My method is Survey.
But I think survey is not the method. Okay, I need to read
think,
more and I need to find more about this. Okay, so
Okay.
what is hello, see?
Okay. I will.
Okay. So, Esti, may I ask you another question?
Okay, Rumi.
So, why you choose survey?
Oh, okay. Why I choose survey?
Yes.
Because wait a minute. Okay. Why I choose survey? Because I want to investigate the phenomena. And I also use questionnaire.
Okay. So, what kind of instrument are you going to use to collect the data?
Pardon, Rumi?
What kind of instruments are you going to use to collect the data?
Itu cross what cross-ended questionnaire.
Okay, questionnaire, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Mbak Hesti.
Okay, thank you, Rumi. Cross-ended questionnaire.
Mbak Esti.
Ya, Bu.
Yeah, would like to ask 2 questions, Mbak Esti.
Okay.
Yeah. As you answered before to the Mbak Hendry's questions about the benefit, yeah, maybe it is related to my questions. So, are you sure with the participants? Yeah, because the TOEIC test is not only involving the students, but all of the members of the school, like principals, then stakeholders, and also the English teachers. And as we know that TOEIC test in Indonesia for the vocational school is conducted by the Direktorat SMK, yeah, in Jakarta. So are you sure with the participants for the survey? And then the next question is about the what is it? The literature background, yeah, the literature review. Okay, so here, when you see the information about TOEIC in Indonesia for vocational school, you will find some benefit. This is not only talk about the prestige of the school, and then the students can use it for their future to find a job. It is not only that, but more than that. Yeah, more than that. It is about why the government choose TOEIC to measure the students' capability in English in general, especially for reading and listening and so on. So I think when you have more about the theory, more about the literature for this research, I think, yeah, you will find some more information about this TOEIC test. So my question is, why do you choose the literature only from the researcher before? Yeah, not the, what is it, the institution who have the TOEIC, who have the license of the TOEIC itself, and then the policy of the Directorate SMK, and then the capability itself, like reading, listening, that will be found in the TOEIC test. That's my question, Mbak.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you, Bu Mul.
Yeah, you're welcome, Mbak.
Okay, why I choose the student readiness, why not the what
The participant, Mbak. Why
Oh,
the
yeah.
participant is only students?
Okay. Because I focus to the strategy their student to take the TOEIC test, and also the preparedness, also the their strategy and their preparedness. Also, I want to find out the experience also. Experience the student to follow the test. Yeah, Bu Mul.
Yeah, okay, yeah. What about the second question, Mbak?
The second question?
Yeah, the theory. Why the theory? The theory is only from the researcher before. Yeah.
Okay. Maybe I will add the some the theories next time. Thank you for your advice.
Yeah, okay, Mbak. Good. Thank you, Mbak Esti.
Yeah, thank you, Bu Mul. Okay, Mas Gani, would you give a question or feedback or suggestion?
Okay, Mbak. Actually, no question so far. Yeah, that was enough because my question has already asked. Yeah, I think that was enough.
Okay, thank you, Mas Gani. Okay, if there is no more question or suggestion, I will close this presentation. Thank you very much. Sorry for a lot of mistake, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.